design tool that allows designers who don't want to write code to create websites. So I've designed a site in use today, and I just want to take a look at what it looks like inside the browser. So I'm going to export that to HTML. Muse is going to take care of all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for me. So let me just scroll down the page. So I have a nice site, the color's good, the design's pretty solid, typography is nice, but I feel like it's pretty flat. I can scroll down, but it's just kind of like a flat sheet. And this site is all about an immersive experience, so I really need to communicate that storytelling in some sort of new way. So let me try these new experimental effects and see what we can do. I'm going to go back into Muse, and let me just select these, and I want to start this section. I want it to rotate as I scroll down. So I want to enable some scroll motion to these, and they're going to be fixed so that when I scroll, they'll remain on the screen so I can see that rotation. Now, I have this ring here, and I want it to rotate to the right, but that's going to require some geometry, which is like 2 pi r squared or something I'm not really sure about. So I think I'm just going to use an effect instead. So I want to select that orange ring here, and apply that rotate right effect. For the yellow one, I'm going to go to the left, and for the blue one, I'm going to rotate to the right a little bit slowly. So let me export that and see what Muse came up with. So here's our page again. I'm going to scroll down, and let's see. We have some nice rotation going on, and that's using CSS3 effects. So we have a good start. I can go into that immersive experience. Alright, so one more section, customizable color. So I really need to communicate more than 6 colors that I have on the screen. Let's see what we can do here. So I'm going to go down to that section first. I've enabled that scroll motion again. So we can enable a parallax scrolling effect, first of all, so that it's a little bit more dynamic and has a little bit more depth. Let's see what that takes, what that looks like. So Muse is going to figure out when to move those phones into the page. Okay, we got some motion going on, a little bit more depth, so it's a little bit interesting. But we got motion, but this is about customizable colors, right? Let's try to fix that.
Usually, Ray, do something like this. It'll take a lot of code. He's getting these incredible effects just by making menu selections, and it does all the coding for him.
Oh, that's what everyone's so excited about.